Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a few weeks. I'm sorry, but I'm back. So we are going to be coloring a unit like a little cherry color. So I know I'm moving pretty fast, but you want to get a bowl. These L'Oreal High colors are definitely the truth. This is in the color red. You can purchase these at Sally's, and some beauty supply stores have them as well. The tool that I'm using, I forgot the technical name of it, but I will be sure to link everything down below. But this tool is life-saving. So you want to go ahead and open the package. You want to punch a hole at the bottom. Just place the tool at the very top and just simply roll it like if you were rolling dough. Like you're just going to roll it and it's going to push all the color out for you. I like to use 30 volume developer because it doesn't get, like too light, and it's not too dark. So you just want to find a bowl, mix it up. I purchased those little whisk on Amazon. They came in like a pack of 3 and they're very handy. The method that I'm showing you guys today is really, like fool's proof. But I am going to just spray a layer or 2 of the Gots to Be just for some added security. But again, the method that I'm showing you guys today, you really can't mess it up. I mean, you can mess it up, but the chances are very slim. So you're going to need a edge brush and a rat tail comb, and then your color. So I'm using my rat tail comb just to part off a little section. Want to make sure that you have like a towel or a paper towel next to you, because you want to, be careful. Make sure you're not getting color on your hand and then touching the lace. So I'm going to start off with the comb part of the edge brush, dip that in my color, and I'm simply just going to stroke it through. I'm just using the water bottle to hold the hair so it doesn't move. I'm literally just gonna comb it through. Easy peasy. Now again, this is fool's proof, meaning that it's very easy, but mistakes do happen. But really this is just to lessen the amount of color that gets on the lace. The more you do this, the easier it will get and the better you'll get at it, which means the less color you will end up getting on the lace. So the entire process is really repetitive. You're doing the same thing throughout the whole closure. Closures usually take about 30 minutes. Frontals, they usually take about an hour, no lie, because it's all that lace and you have to go ahead and do this slow process to the whole entire frontal. So frontals do take a little bit of time. So again, you're just doing the same process. You want to make sure that you're combing through. A trick that I use, I don't go like all the way down to like where the lace meets the hair. I go as far as once you do this, you'll kind of figure out what I'm talking about, but I don't go all the way down, because when you go all the way down to where the lace meets the hair, you then run the risk of getting the color on the lace. So as you guys will see, there were a few times where I went pretty fast and I just really got tired of doing this tedious process, and I got a little bit of color on the lace. But again, things happen. This technique is just to preserve the lace as much as possible. All right, so now that we're done with that part, I'm just gonna show you. So there are a few spots on the lace. As you guys can see here, it's nothing bad. The lace is still 100% usable. The style will still be 100% fire. the part. You're not going to see any color in any parting space or any hairline. So just keep watching. I'm just going to make sure I'm getting every what's that word? Crevice? Every crack, every crevice. I'm just going to make sure I'm getting the color on it. And then once we're done up here, we're going to just go ahead and start on the bottom of the hair. Okay, so now that we're done with the top, we're going to go ahead and get the bottom of the lace colored. So you can go ahead and comb the color through the lace, make sure it's all pretty, nice and neat. This does take more time. So you guys will see shortly that I was over it, and I just went ahead and grabbed a big gulp of the color and just smeared it on the bottom of the hair. I mean, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's just whatever you prefer. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure that I'm getting the beginning. I'm going to let it sit. And this is the results after I rinsed it out. Like I said, you guys can barely see any of the color. So what is that? 1, 2, 3 spots towards the bottom. And come on. I see 1 spot on the left-hand side, so that's 4. And looks like that's it. Oh, 5. One little spot at the top.